Good morning. Good morning. Out. Okay, let's start with our session. Peace be upon you, with you, Mr. Muhammad Omar. In this session, we will make revision about geometry Prep 3 first term. So let's start with our session. Number one, choose the correct answer. Good morning, Tahir. Can you listen me? Okay, let's continue. Number one, 1045. 1045 degree equal what? 1045 degree by using calculator equal 1.
تمام.
Tahir, can you listen me?
يا مستر سامعك بس حضرتك كنت عامل ميوت ليه؟
Please raise your voice. Say it again.
سامعك يا مستر سامعك.
Okay. Let's continue. Number two, if sine x equal half and x is an acute angle, then measure of angle x equal what? Measure of angle x equal shift sine half. By using calculator, shift sine half equal 30 degree. Okay? Okay. Number three. Number three, the distance between the 2 points 3, 0 and the ordered pair 0 and -4 equal what? Tahir, can you tell me what is the distance between these 2 points?
المفروض إن هي تبقى اللي هي x2 minus x1
Yes.
y2 minus x1.
Okay. Let's write the rule of the distance between these 2 points. The rule is the distance between 2 points equal root of x2 minus x1 power 2 plus y2 minus y1 power 2. And the 2 points is what? The 2 points 3, 0, 0 and -4.
0 minus 3. 0 minus 3.
0 and -4. So the result is root of x2 0 minus
3.
x1 3 power 2 plus y2 -4 minus
3.
y1 0 power 2. So yes, the result is 3 power 2 9 plus 4 power 2 16. So root of 25, then the result is positive 5. Why we can't choose -5 طاهر؟ ليه احنا ما خدناش -5 only positive؟
عشان النمبر طلع كده.
Say it again, raise your voice.
عشان النمبر طلع كده يا مستر.
No, because we know that root of 25 equal what? Root of 25 equal positive or negative, but we can't choose negative. Why we can't choose negative?
عشان ما فيش بوزيتيف ونيجاتيف مع بعض.
Why we can't choose negative? Because this is length units, and we can't choose negative with length units. Okay, let's continue. So the result is 5. The result is number 3 is 5. Letter B. Number 4. If x
ولا
plus y equal 5 and kx plus 2y equal 0 are perpendicular, then k equal. Okay. Do you know the result, Tahir? Okay, this is two straight line are perpendicular. Let's write the two straight line. The two straight line is x plus y equal 5. This is the first. Number 4, x plus y equal 5. And the second straight line equal kx plus 2y equal 0. Kx plus 2y equal 0. Kx plus 2y equal 0 and x plus y equal 5. This is the two equations of the two straight line, and the two straight line are perpendicular. L1 perpendicular with L2. Okay.
تمام يا مستر.
Okay, Tahir. Then the result of k equal what? To get the result of k, we must get slope number 1 and slope number 2. Slope number 1 of the first equation equal what? Slope equal negative the coefficient of x is 1 over the coefficient of y, and the coefficient of y equal also 1. So slope number 1 equal negative 1, and slope number 2 S2 equal what? Negative the coefficient of the variable x is k over the coefficient of the variable y to negative k over 2. Okay. Now we know that the two straight lines are perpendicular. It means then S1 times S2 equal negative 1. Rule. If the two straight lines are perpendicular, then we deduce that S1 times S2 equal negative 1, and S1 equal what? S1 equal negative 1 times S2 equal negative k over 2 equal negative 1. Then negative times negative equal positive. Positive k over 2 equal negative 1. Then we deduce that the value of k equal cross multiplication negative 2. Okay, this is the value of the k. Do you understand? Tahir, do you understand?
اه يا مستر.
Okay, Tahir. This is the value of k negative 2. Number 4, negative 2. Number 5, if A 5, 7, B 1, negative 1, then the midpoint of AB, the midpoint of AB. We know that the rule of the midpoint of AB equal what? Do you know the rule of the midpoint?
هي بتبقى حاجة يعني مثلا x1 plus x2 over 2 تقريبا.
Yes, that's right. This is the line segment AB, and the point A 5 and 7 also, and point B is 1 and negative 1, and we need to get the center of AB. Okay, is for example C, and C equal x and y. Okay, then the midpoint is x plus y equal, or x and y, sorry, equal what? Equal 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 divided 2, and 7 minus, this is negative 4 or 4. This is negative 1. Sorry, 1 and negative 1. This is negative 1. Okay, 7 minus what?
minus -1.
7 -1 divided 2. So the result, the ordered pair 5 plus 1 equals 6, 6 over 2 equals 3. This is the first projection, and the second, 7 minus 1 over 3 equal also 6. 6 divided 3 equal 7 minus 1 equal 6. 6 divided 3 equal divided 2. Sorry, 6 divided 2 equal 3. So the result is the ordered pair 3 and 3. Let's choose the ordered pair 3 and 3, letter B. Okay.
تمام.
Number 6, the equation of the straight line which passes through the points 3 and -5 and parallel to y-axis. Okay. The equation, let's write it. The equation of the straight line which passes through the points. Okay, the point that the straight line passes through is 3 and -5 and parallel to y-axis. Okay, we know that the equation equal what? Do you know the equation equal what? This is the coordinate plane. Okay, and the point 3 and -5, let's represent here 3 and -5. So the point, for example, here, and the straight line parallel to y-axis. So this is the straight line parallel to y-axis and intersect x-axis at the point 3. So the equation is x equal 3. Okay, so the result is letter A, x equal 3. Okay, this is example number 1. Example number 2. Okay, Marwan Tariq, do you listen me, Marwan?
ايوه.
Okay, let's continue, Marwan. Example number 2. Example number 2 is letter A, without using calculator, prove that sine 60 equal to sine 30 cosine 30. Okay, letter A, the left hand side sine 60 and the right hand side to sine 30 cosine 30. Okay, sine 30 or sine 60 equal what? By using calculator, √3/2. Okay. Okay, Tahir. And the right hand side equal what? 2 times sine 30 equal half. And cosine 30 equal √3/2. Okay, now the left hand side √3/2 and the right hand side 2 times half equal 1. 1 times √3/2. So the left hand side equal the right hand side. Okay, this is letter A. Letter B, prove that the point A -3 and -1 and the point B 6, 5, C 3, 3 are collinear. Okay, do you know what is the result, Tahir? Okay, Tahir.
مستر
Speak, Tahir. I'm listening you.
ما عدتش تعمل ميوت تاني يا مستر.
Okay, speak. I'm listening you.
ما حضرتك عايز ايه طيب؟
Okay. Prove that the point A -3 and 1, B 6 and 5. Okay, please wait. Okay. Okay, Tahir can now speak easily without muting.
تمام يا مستر.
مريم محمد. Okay, letter B. Prove the point A, point B, point C are collinear. Who can tell me the answer? Okay, Mariam, let's continue.
Okay.
To prove the 3 point A, -3 and -1, -3 and -1, B 6 5, C is -13 and 3, or what?
3 و 3.
Please wait. 3 and 3, sorry. 3 only and 3. Okay, this is letter C, the third ordered pair. 3 and 3. Now to prove the 3 points A, B, and C are two collinear, first of all, we get slope number 1, S1, the slope of the first straight line passing through the 2 points A and B. Okay, slope number 1 equal what? Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. And Y2 equal 5
6
of
minus
slope of the point A and B. A and
اللي
B
تحت.
equal 5 minus what?
-1.
يبقى equal +1. 5 +1 divided by X2 equal 6 +3. 6 +3. Okay? So the result is 5 plus 1 equal 6,
Six.
and 6 plus 3
9.
equal 9. Then the result is 2/3. Okay? This is the first slope. And the second slope is S2. S2 between the 2 points B and C. Between this is 2 points.
3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 over 3 minus 6.
Okay, 3 minus 5 over 3 minus 6. 3 minus 5 equal what? -2 over 3 minus 6 equal what? -3. Negative and negative, they are cancelled, so the result is 2/3. Since slope number 1 equal slope number 2, each of them equal 2/3, then the point A, B, and C are what? Are collinear. Okay? You understand?
Oh.
Okay, this is example number 2. Example number 3. Example number 3, the first point A, if 4 cosine 60 degrees sine 30 degree equal tan theta, find the value of x, then x is an acute, or when x is an acute angle. Okay, who can solve this example?
الأول هنجيب الفور كوزين 60 تايم ساين 30. بعد كده هنعمل شيفت تان عشان نجيب الإكس.
Okay, so 4 cosine 60 sine 30 equal tan theta or tan x, then 4 times cosine 60 equal what?
1
By
over
using
2.
calculator, cosine 60 equal what? Sorry, I can't hear you.
لحظة.
We know that cosine 60 equal half times sine 30 also equal half by using calculator. Then 10x equal in the left hand side or in the right hand side 10x. Okay, 10x equal 4 times half times half equal quarter. Then 4 times quarter equal 1. So 10x equal 1. Then the measure of angle x equal what?
45.
Equal
45.
45 degree by using calculator. Shift 10 1 and shift 10 1 equal 45 degree, and 45 degree is an acute angle. Okay.
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 Okay. Letter B. If the midpoint of the line segment AB is C, and C is ordered pair 6 and -4, then A5 and -3, find the point B. Okay. Notice that this is the line segment AB, and this is the midpoint of this is line segment C, 6 and -4. Okay, and
Okay.
A equal what? 5 and -3. So the coordinates of B equal what? Let B equal x and y, then 5 plus x over 2 equal what? The first projection 6. Okay, let's write it.
Okay.
Number B or letter B, x plus 5 over 2 equals 6. And the second point is -3 plus y over 2 equal -4. Let's write it. Y -3 over 2 equal -4. Okay, okay. Then the result here, by using cross multiplication, product of means equal product of extremes, then x plus 5, x plus 5 equal 2 times 6 equal 12. Then the result of x equal 12 minus 5 equal 7. And this is the first projection of the ordered pair. And the second projection is y minus 3. Y minus 3 equal what? Y minus 3 equal 2 times -4, -8. So the result of y equal -8, positive 3 equal -5. Then the ordered pair is x and y equal what? 7 and -5. Okay, do you understand?
Oh.
Anyone hear me?
أيوة أنا معاك.
Okay. Fourth, letter A. If the straight line L1 passes through the point 312K and the straight line L2 makes with the positive direction of x-axis angle measure 45 degree. Okay, find the value of K if the two straight line are parallel, L1 parallel to L2. Okay, okay, letter A. We know that we have two straight line. The first straight line L1 passes through the point what? 3 and 1, 2 and K. Okay, let's get slope number 1 from this is 2 points. Slope 1 equal what? We know that slope 1 equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then y2 equal k minus
ليه يا
1
مستر ما نجيبش التاني الأول؟
over 2 minus 3. Again, Mariam, say it again.
ليه ما ينفعش نجيب التانية الأول؟ بما إن التانية إحنا عارفينها، إنما دي لسه هنجيب الكي وكده.
3 minus 2 over 1 minus k. This is your question or what?
ليه ما نجيبش السلوب بتاع الستريت لاين التاني؟
We will get another slope, L2, slope 2. But this is the first slope, slope number 1. K minus 1 over 2 minus 3 equal what? This is the first slope. 2 minus 3 equal negative 1. Okay, and L2. L2 in the given, make with x angle or with x axis the angle 45 degree. So
tan
it
45.
means slope number 2 equal tan 45 degree. And tan 45 degree equal what? Equal 1. Since the two straight line are parallel, it means what? It means the two slopes are equal. Two slopes are equal. Slope 1 equal slope 2 because the first straight line parallel to with the second straight line. Slope 1 equal k minus 1 over negative 1, and slope 2 equal what? Equal 1. Cross multiplication, we get the value of k. Negative 1 times 1 equal what? Equal negative 1. K minus 1 equal negative 1. So k equal, this is positive 1, sorry, positive 1. Tan 45 equal positive 1. Then k equal what? Plus 1 or positive 1 plus 1 equal 2. This is the value of k equal 2. Okay?
لحظة يا مستر.
Do you listen me?
أيوة معاك يا مستر خلاص.
The value of k, but wait. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is negative 1. This is negative 1. So this is positive, and this is positive. Also, this is positive. So the result 1 minus 1 equals 0. Okay? Okay, sorry. Now let's complete. Because we have only 10 minutes. Letter B, ABC, angle, right angle triangle at C. Okay, ABC, right angle triangle at C. AC equal 6 centimeter. BC equal 8 centimeter. Find first cosine A, cosine B, minus sine A, sine B. Okay, let's drawing the triangle. The triangle is ABC. ABC, because the triangle right at C, at the angle C. Okay?
Okay.
AC equal 6 centimeter and BC equal 8 centimeter. Find cosine A, cosine B minus sine A minus B and measure of angle B. Okay?
Okay.
Let's find
الأول هنجيب ال AB.
the result. Okay. First of all, let's write the example. Cosine A, cosine B minus sine A, sine B. Okay. Cosine A, we know that cosine A equal what? Equal adjacent over hypotenuse. And hypotenuse. What is the value of hypotenuse? We know that by using Pythagoras theorem. AB equal AB power 2 equal 6 power 2 AC power 2 plus BC power 2 plus 8 power 2, and 6 power 2 equal 36 plus 46, 64, sorry. Then the result is 100. So the value of the line segment AB is 10 centimeters. So cosine A equal adjacent over hypotenuse equal 6 over 10. Cosine B equal what? Cosine B also equal adjacent over hypotenuse equal
8 over 10
times 8 over 10 minus sine A
equal 8 over 10
over hypotenuse 8 over 10 times sine B equal what? Opposite
6 over
over
10.
hypotenuse. Yes, 6 over 10. Then 6 over 10 times 8 over 10 minus the same value, 6 over 10 minus 8 over 10. Then the result is 0. This is the first required. And number 2, second, measure of angle B. Measure of angle B. We can get measure of angle B by different methods. We can say since
نجيب الساين بتاعها وبعد كده نجيب شيفت
by
ساين.
using the tan beta or sine beta or sine B or cosine B. Tan B equal what?
equal 6 over 8.
Yes, opposite over adjacent. It means 6 over 8. Then the measure of angle B equal shift tan 6 over 8. Then the result is what? The result is 36 degree. Okay, 52 minutes and 11 seconds. Do you understand now?
12 second بقى عشان هو 11.6.
Example number 5. Letter A. Find the equation of the straight line which slope is 2 and passes through the points 1 and 0. We know that the equation equal y equal mx. That's right. Y equal what?
mx plus
mx plus constant, and the constant we can denote it by c. For example, y equal mx plus c. Okay, now to get the equation we must find the value of m and c. Since the straight line, the slope equal 2 and passes through the points 1 and 0. M means slope 2. So the equation is y equal 2x plus c. And to get the value of c, let's substitute about x and y by the ordered pair. 1 equal x and 0 y. So 0 equal 2 times 1 plus c. 0 equal 2 plus 2 times 1 equal 2 plus c. Then c equal what? 0 minus 2 equal negative 2. This is the value of c. Okay?
Okay.
Let's substitute about c and m in the equation. So the equation is y equal
2x plus 2x minus
minus
2.
2. Okay, this is the required equation. And this is point number A. Point number B, prove that the point A, 3, -1, B, -4, 6, C, 2, and -2, which belong to an orthogonal Cartesian coordinates plane, lie on the circle whose center M, -1 and 2. Then find the circumference of the circle. Okay. To get the circumference of the circle, we know the rule. The circumference of the circle equal 2 pi r. But in the first, we need what?
الار اللي هو الراديوس.
Who can tell me we need what?
الراديوس.
We
هنجيب
need
ال
to
AM
prove the 3 points lie on the circle. Okay, this is, for example, circle, and this is the center of the circle. The center of the circle is M, and M equal -1 and 2. Pi represent it in the coordinate plane, for example. So we need to prove the point A and point B and point C lying in the same circle. So the point A equal 3 and -1, point B equal -4 and 6, point C equal 2 and -2. Okay, if we prove the 3 line segments MA and MB and MC are equal because the 3 line segments are radius, then we prove that the 3 points A and B and C are on the same circle. So the straight line or the line segment AM equal what? And the line segment BM, also the line segment CM. This is the distance between 2 points. And we know the rule of the distance between 2 points equal what? x2 minus x1 power 2 plus